Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stock on the Yahoo Finance app. First, ensure you have the app downloaded and an active brokerage account linked. You will need to complete any required identity verification, which often includes two-factor authentication for security. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and secure trading experience. Once your account is ready, you can begin exploring investment opportunities with confidence. Now that your account is set up, let's find a stock. Use the search bar at the top of the app to locate a company by its name or ticker symbol, like Apple for Apple. Tapping on a stock brings you to its detailed quote page. Here, you can review charts, news, and essential financial metrics such as the current price and daily change. Take a few moments to analyze this information before proceeding. Once you have decided on a stock, tap the Trade or Buy button on its quote page. You will then enter the number of shares you wish to purchase. For instance, you might choose to buy 10 shares. Next, select your order type. A market order executes immediately at the best available price, while a limit order allows you to specify a maximum price you are willing to pay, waiting for that condition to be met. Before you finalize your investment, it is crucial to carefully review all the details of your order. Double-check the stock symbol, the number of shares you intend to buy, and the total estimated cost. Ensure your selected order type, whether it is a market or limit order, is correct. Once you are satisfied with all the information, tap the Place Order or Confirm button to finalize your stock purchase. Congratulations, you have just bought stock.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.